Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is Matt. Welcome back to my channel. Now in this video I'm going to talk about how to make different logos using a site called placeit.com. Now the first thing we're going to do is go to so they have mockups, designs, logos, videos, and gaming. So we're going to go to logos, and then we're just going to choose for example sports teams. And then here's all the different sports teams. Let's see what we have here. So we'll go here to this, we'll choose this logo. And then the cool thing about it, excuse me. See, the cool thing about it is you could change it up. You could change the name. Let's see. Football, if it's a football team. You could change the logo. Oh wait. Oh, never mind. Hold on. Let me. So you could go here and change what type of sports team it is. So let's see how that comes out. And then you can change the color. What color was that? So we'll go here and change the color of the font. Bam, you have it. We'll even change. Let's change it. Let's change this also. Let's change the logo to El Paso. Stormtroopers. And then we'll just change this to whatever city you're from or state. It's pretty cool. So boom, and then that's how you create a logo. Now if you let's go ahead and back up a little bit here. Let's go now to if you had like a restaurant or a real estate business, hip hop. Let's go to, let's see. Let's go to fitness. Looks you want to create like a fitness company, or you're doing a project for someone. And you could go onto Fiverr.com and register there to make a lot of money on Fiverr. You just present these, just click on one of these to present to a client. Let's click on this one. And then, like I said, you could change the background of it to green. You could change the main color to like a dark green. Change that. Change the font also to a green. And boom, there you have it right there. And if you want to make it more tailored to what you have, you can change the logo as well too. Let's see what we have. What about this one? This one looks nice. Let's see what we have here. That one looks pretty good. So, like I said, you could present this to like a different clients on Fiverr, or you could even do, let's see, you could even do gaming, like some of you gamers who like to do gaming could start a YouTube channel. Let's see. So let's go to gaming teams and see what they have to offer here. Let's go with this one. So there's a lot of cool ideas you could do. Pretty much on this, you could pretty much do anything really. So let's go here. City. So this is just a quick example. I play a game called City Skylines, and what you could do, let's see, you just change it to like a city background. You could change this harvest to City Skylines. Something like that, you know. Well, so if you like what you see, just press on the link in the description. I'll have the website, and I do also have a blog. Check out my blog, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.